We have a 2006 Cadillac CTS-V. We're going to be installing a short throw shifter in it. Here's some of the parts it came with. So to get started, you'll need to pry this up right here. And you're going to pull these out in the back. You're going to pull up on the shifter. We have a foam pad. It needs to be removed gently. Next, there will be a couple of 10mm bolts that need to come out. Next, we have this next grommet under here, needs to come out. Next, these 4 bolts are going to need to come out. There's a little rivet down in there that needs to be removed. There's 2 of them on both sides. There's a 5mm Allen head and a 13mm bolt that need to come out in order to get the shifter out. Once you do that, the shifter will release after you have drilled the rivets out from the top. 2 rivets on catty corner from each other. Once you get it out, just gotta pull that out. And then you could go to the top and pull it out.